It's Halloween at Freddy's, all the guests have arrived. Everyone's gonna meet you, so won't you spend the night? Join us, welcome our new friend. Come on, let's begin, there's no time to waste. It is me, Freddy, I hope you're ready, let's go to the
So I can't swing with Vivian. Swinging with a beast is the only thing I can do right now.
2 beasts?
Yep.
Kill both of beasts.
You're killing both of my beasts? Okay.
Oh, yes, you didn't know, but you still have a beast. Because you got the creature.
Okay, so put another counter on there. There we have a beast again.
Better?
Yep. I'm gonna move Vivian off to the side here.
Ah, yeah. Hey.
You got plans for Halloween night tonight? Not gonna watch a scary movie? I heard that there are Halloween Digimon.
Yes.
There's a Halloween Digimon called Pumpkinmon or something like that.
Yep.
Literally takes children, puts a jack-o'-lantern over their face, and then carves the jack-o'-lantern while it's on their face, which is kind of horrifying.
I guess that's only when they so that would be
Alright, let's see what we got here. Mossford Bridge, don't really feel like playing it. Why can't I attack a Vivian?
Because Rockets can attack you.
That's what
Using Vivian's ability and ending my turn. Dude, you got so much shit going on your board right now. Okay, let's see what we have. It's a land, Highland Forest. Then there's the battlefield tab, so I might as well just put it down there.
You get a wolf.
Oh, you get a wolf? Why don't I just get the wolf token?
And you gain...
Look at a howdy boy. Okay, wolf is here. Does it get counters or only when it gets more wolves?
Only when you cast an object spell.
Oh, okay. End of turn.
Okay. Well, that... 4, 5. Casting her, getting a treasure. She gets a counter. Rock. Hey, 5 minutes. Casting this gets a counter.
I don't know if I have a satyr. Surely I'll be able to play it though because I've got my freaking whole mana, all my lands, like out right now. You said what? Did you say it's called? It's called a satyr, right?
Yeah.
Does it have to be like a monocolor or can it be like two colors?
It's 2 color.
Because it's right here.
Yeah. You also get to bring something from this.
What's that?
Throne of the Dead 3.
Wait, these are my cards though.
Yeah. They reveal them from your library.
I get to. What do I get to do to one of them?
You get to bring one into play. And then the red.
Stera, the endless web. Turning my cameras on, and it's just facing my entire pile of like land cards. I swear to God, it's my whole deck. It's my whole deck of mana. It's a good thing that you're shuffling that, because maybe I won't get mana anymore. Because I think I'm pretty good when it comes to mana. Like, look at this. Like, that's just mana. I'm gonna put this over to the side. Okay, my turn? Or are you still working?
That was during your turn.
Oh, okay, so it's your turn then. Wait, the initiative isn't active anymore?
I think it still is. Hey, dude.
You're making a big brain play?
Paying 3 mana. Drawing 2 cards. Let's give you the ability to tap to make more warriors.
I have a satyr now, and I have that spider girl.
Made the treasure, made the gun. Bottom of my library. Tapping 2 life to make an elf warrior.
Dude, you have like 50 million cards going on your board right now.
Do I have enough mana to get them up to 5?
Well, surely you must.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now all my elves have for 2, 3. Do I want to make bears? Do I want to turn my treasures into bears?
Yeah, turn your treasure into bears. Just like how you turned your elves into elf bears.
Because I can tap my... When I turn them into bears, I can actually tap them for 2 now to 1.
Is that good?
They're still elves and they're still treasure and response to their other types.
But does that do stuff for you though?
Just gives me a lot more mana.
Anyway, while you're making another satyr, I am going to be swinging with one of the satyrs that has haste.
Yeah, you can swing both actually.
and I'm swinging with the weird spider human hybrid thing. Which creature? I don't know. So you're taking damage from one satyr and the creepy human spider witch. But you actually took the damage?
Fuck. Satyr.
The satyr dies.
Yeah, horrible.
However, I still get 1 dice on here. And are you taking damage from Astra?
Vintage is any cards from any set, including alphas and betas. Okay.
Killing your spider as well.
You're killing my spider as well?
You can reply. Letter?
Yep.
I could kill you.
Please do. Then I can swap out for zombies.
I have 18.
It's like at this point you're so powerful that I can't even hit you.
What?
But I have a rat. I have rats that make it so you can't block them, so you take the damage from them. And then I also have a scorpion with death touch. So
Swing lethal.
oh shit, death. How much do you think that overkilled me? Like count this on the radar on this. So how much am I putting down on the actual app?
My commander's a 20-20 or 28-28. You're taking use of commander for both my commanders.
Okay, we're just gonna do it here so the people can see just how horribly you killed me. Okay, so what am I putting down?
You're taking 40. 40.
Keeping going. Yeah, this is overkill.
You know your 3.
Oh shit. Okay, 40. There's that.
No, 10.
Yeah.
9. 9. We're taking these.
Oh my god, this is like going for years. Look at this. He's already killed me over 17% off of what health I had. But you can't just tell me what I got from all of them?
That's 18 times 8.
It's a lot, isn't it?
Yes.
Sorry, I didn't even know.
You're taking
100 and what damage?
from just my tokens alone.
I'm taking 100 damage from token creatures. Dude, I
these.
suck.
144 from just those.
Dude, I suck. If I'm getting damage from fucking, if I'm getting killed 100 damage from token creatures, man, I suck. Shit.
144.
Oh my god.
The old Sierra Angel used to be a high value card too back then.
Just keep going. It's not even close to 144.
What was that one that destroyed all?
That is like horrendously bad. Like, that's so gross.
4 times 15.
It's grosser than the warts on the witch's nose.